What is up, everyone? This is Simple Product Reviews here, and today we are going to be reviewing the Mini Hygrometer thermometer. So this is basically a humidifier checker plus thermometer as well. It comes in a pack of two, as you can see over here, and I'm gonna go right into it. It is only $7, so each one costs about $3.50. So I wanted to kind of like review this product for you guys. I actually purchased it about a month ago, and I wanted to kind of like give my thoughts on how I feel about it, and if you guys should purchase it or not. So let's kind of get right into it. So like I said, I purchased it about a month or so ago, and I've been using it in the same room at two different spots, one like very close to the wall or the door, and one like more inside, and they're both fairly accurate. They might be off a point or two, or a percent or two, I should say, but they're usually fairly accurate. I actually have a third one that I had in general in my house from before, and I wanted to kind of use that. I don't use it because it kind of got messed up, like the digital sense of it, but it's still accurate, and I wanted to see if this lines up with that. Again, they're usually off a percent or two, so they're overall very like in line with each other. So I get that trust factor, like, okay, it does work, it does check the actual humidity. So I will actually recommend this for you guys to purchase. The link will be in the description below. It is from Amazon. You'll get it in 2 days via Prime. The good thing that I liked about this specific one was the price point. You get two significantly cheaper than you would get one or something that people are selling on Amazon for like $10 or $15. So in my head, I was like, okay, if I'm getting two for, again, cheaper the price, so $3.50 a pop basically, that seems like it's definitely worth it to purchase this. Overall, you can see it's a fairly small device. It comes with the batteries. You can see you can put in the batteries as well, and they actually give you extra batteries. I believe they gave me 4 extra batteries with it, so you actually have the extra batteries available to you as well. You can easily put them anywhere. They actually gave some stick-ons as well. I don't know what they call it, but you put it on and then you can stick it onto the wall. I just put them like this, and I just leave them, like I said, in 2 different locations. So overall, like I said, I would highly recommend it, especially for the price point that I got it for. I think it's definitely a steal. It's easy to get. I'll leave it in the description below. Even if you don't have Prime, it's only $7. Actually, I think you have to then pay for shipping. Ignore that. Obviously, get it from Amazon, and then you get it obviously as a good deal. So yeah, that's basically it. Like I said, you can see like it kind of changes, but they'll stay within the same vicinity or two. But yeah, if you guys overall like this video, please smash that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to get that notification bell. And that Simple Product Reviews out. Peace.